Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about latest technology.
Hello and welcome to Being Technological YouTube channel. My name is Prajwal and today we are going to do the unboxing of a budget-centric mic. And this mic is a great choice for beginning YouTubers. So let's start the unboxing.
And here is the box of our mic. So let's start to unbox it. Inside the box we got two packages. First is the aux cable we got free with this microphone, and here is the microphone itself. Here you can see the mic. The mic is packed very nicely inside the box. So first we see the aux cable, how it is. So we just unwrap this aux cable from its packet. And here is the aux cable. The length of the aux cable is about 1 meter and the quality looks very nice. It's made from a cloth-like material. So let's check out the mic, how it is. And here it is written that performance assurance, accessory kit, quality certified product, and at the back side you can see CAPTCHA 1-year warranty, packaged in India. So let's open this packaging. And here is the microphone itself. We can see the quality of the microphone looks very nice. Here is the main mic, and this is the clip to attach this mic with our shirt. We can attach this mic with our shirt like this. So let's take a closer look how it looks like. It looks very stylish and the quality of the cable is also very nice. We can see here the cable is made of rubber, and here is the 3.5 mm jack to connect this mic with our phone or with our camera. Now we just open the cable and see how long it is. So guys, the length of this cable is about 1 meter, and this is the good length for a budget mic. You can see how the length of this mic is. We can also remove this noise cancelling cap of the mic. If you want, you can replace this cap and attach another cap on this mic. Overall, the build quality of this mics looks very nice compared to its price. Its price is about 170 rupees. If you want to buy this mic, you can check the description. There is the link to buy this mic.
So friends, this was the unboxing. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any queries or questions about this mic, you can ask us in comment section. And thanks for watching the video.